Hello, my fellow maths learners. I'm actively developing my maths website, and it just got a new feature which will allow you to revise any topic from wherever you are, exactly as long as you personally need it, so you can get this done in like minutes, seconds, doesn't matter. I'll provide a short instruction on how exactly to use it, so check this out.
Alright, so first of all, click on my website's link, which is NineMaths.com. Then click on the GCSE region tab, and every single topic, which I arranged in a neat order, from grade 1 to grade 9, has this little quick test button. So, for example, if you're not sure if you can do negative numbers or not, just click this quick test, and you'll be able to revise it as long as you need to, because you have 10 questions in a set, totally randomized, totally different. So for example, during a game, player loses 8 points and gains 3 points. Total point changes -5, and then you just go on and on and on. So for example, -12 plus 7 is -5. This is take away -4, so -4 is 13, etc, etc. If you have any issues, you're free to do mistakes. That's totally fine. Let me just randomly finish it. You can check your answers later, and boom, you have your answer board, you have your score, which is a whole lot of 70%, and estimate, that's a bit of a playful estimate yet. Of course, to do an actual grade 6 and an actual exam, you'll have to do all the grade 6 topics. But yeah, inside this exact topic, we can say that you're something like grade 6. Anyway, 70% it is, you are truly above average, and you've done all the stuff, so -5 is correct, but if something comes out as not correct, -12 divided by -3, it is actually 4, and I pressed 9. What a shame. So you can also see your mistakes, try to learn from them, actually understand what you have done wrong, and the best part, you want to improve your score, you want to get 100%, so you're sure that you can do any sort of negative number questions on your exam, just press this little retry button, and then it'll start over and over again. Here's the table now. So which city is the coldest? Obviously that's Oslo, because it has the lowest temperature. You press on this, and then maybe, just maybe, after a few attempts, you get your 100. So that's basically you learning yourself, getting all the right answers yourself, and the system providing feedback for you, what you have done right, what you have done wrong, which percentage have you got, and memorizing all your mistakes, all of the principles will allow you to do better, always make yourself better, and then maybe once you hit the 100% mark, exactly in the timing that you need to do it. It's also available for some of the higher topics. For example, for grade 5, it's already with the graph identifying. So check this out. Which equation matches this graph? Yes, it also has a graphics engine built in. Here's a set of axes, and then the line which falls and then has an intercept which is positive, and the gradient is negative, so it's probably -x -1. No, I did a mistake because the intercept was positive and I clicked on the intercept that's negative. See, that's how bad is doing everything too fast for you. Anyway, I hope I'll redeem myself now. So this one is the first option because it's the only one that has a positive intercept. And then you just continue this. So you try to match all the graphs. It's -x, and then this equation matches the graph, which is 1 over x, and then this is -1 over x, and so on and so on. This looks like a cubic curve with 3 taken away. And if you do any mistakes, like for example this one, you instantly memorize it, you'll be allowed to reset this once more again, and well, next time this will be brought up, you'll remember this by some sort of a quick memory, and then you'll do better, I promise you. So for example, x cubed is this, and then -x squared in this, and boom, here are the results, 80%, grade 7. This all is still in the test mode, so maybe sometime in the future also implement some other cool functions, which will, for example, the ability to receive the exact pictures for your questions, and I probably really hope for an explanation for stuff like this. Anyway, this is pretty much it. So once more, hop on my website, try this out. It's available for only some of the grade 1 and grade 5 topics, but I'm actively working on it, and there'll be more topics in the future. If you want to see me as your tutor, write me down. There'll be a link to contact me below, and maybe we'll see each other. Thank you.